Are you a non-U.S. citizen looking to build your career in America? Well, things are changing fast. Just this week, President Trump signed new executive orders that are reshaping industries across the country and creating exciting new career opportunities for you. In this video, we're diving into 7 emerging industries where non-citizens can not only survive, but thrive in 2025 and beyond. Let's jump in. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, infrastructure. First up, artificial intelligence. The U.S. is ramping up its investment in AI like never before, with a massive $500 billion being pumped into AI infrastructure, as per the new executive orders. This means more jobs, more innovation, and more opportunities for skilled professionals, especially those with expertise in AI and machine learning. As a non-citizen, you could get involved in AI infrastructure development, research, or even government-sponsored AI projects. Now is the time to brush up on those AI skills and jump into this rapidly growing sector. 2. Cryptocurrency and digital assets. Next, let's talk about cryptocurrency and digital assets. Thanks to new executive orders, the U.S. government is creating a regulatory framework for digital assets, aiming to become a global leader in the crypto world. For non-citizens, this is your chance to step into the world of blockchain technology, crypto exchange platforms, or fintech startups. Whether you're into software development or digital finance, opportunities in this space are on the rise. The rules are changing, and now's the time to get involved in shaping the future of finance. 3. Energy production and infrastructure. Another area where massive change is happening is energy production. With President Trump's new focus on energy independence and sustainability, there's a surge in opportunities in sectors like renewable energy and critical infrastructure. Non-citizens with expertise in energy systems, environmental engineering, and even rare earth minerals are now in demand. If you've got the skills, this is the moment to jump into roles in energy exploration, infrastructure development, or sustainability projects that are being shaped by new policies. The U.S. is moving forward with these projects, and you can be part of it. 4. Cybersecurity. Now let's talk about cybersecurity. With increasing threats to critical infrastructure, President Trump's recent executive orders have made cybersecurity a national priority. This means heightened demand for professionals who can protect networks, data, and systems from cyber threats. If you have experience in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or network security, now is the perfect time to get involved. There are opportunities in both the private and public sectors, and for non-U.S. citizens, the demand for skilled cybersecurity experts is higher than ever. 5. Manufacturing and trade. Next up is manufacturing and trade. The U.S. government is pushing to reinvigorate American manufacturing and reduce trade deficits, and President Trump's new executive orders are making it easier for companies to set up operations here. Non-U.S. citizens with expertise in logistics, supply chain management, or international trade can step into roles that focus on navigating these new policies and helping American businesses grow globally. With tariffs and new trade regulations taking effect, this is an exciting time for those in manufacturing to be part of something big. 6. Federal workforce and government efficiency. Along with the changes in trade and energy, there's also a major shift happening within the U.S. federal workforce. President Trump's executive orders aim to streamline government operations, improve efficiency, and reduce bureaucracy. This is creating opportunities in roles such as public administration, project management, and even government consulting. Non-U.S. citizens who have experience in international relations, public sector innovation, or government efficiency can find roles helping to reshape federal operations. The rules are changing, and so are the career pathways. 7. Space exploration and technology. And last, but certainly not least, is space exploration. With a renewed focus on reaching Mars and beyond, the U.S. is investing heavily in space technology. This new focus on space exploration is creating numerous opportunities for engineers, scientists, and tech innovators in aerospace, astrophysics, and even satellite technology. As a non-citizen, you could find opportunities with NASA or private aerospace companies, where the demand for skilled professionals is at an all-time high. The U.S. space industry is booming, and it's an exciting time to get involved. In closing, so there you have it. 7 emerging industries that are opening doors for non-U.S. citizens, all thanks to President Trump's executive orders signed this week. Whether you're looking to break into AI, cybersecurity, or space exploration, there are more opportunities than ever before. The rules are changing, and now is your time to step up, get skilled, and make your mark in America. Stay informed, keep learning, and start exploring these industries today. The future is bright, and it's waiting for you.